2019 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Got a nice lift kit on it. Still got less than 12,000 miles on it. Factory converters. Wise into a single. Got a flex pipe on it. 3-inch pipe. We continued that 3-inch all the way back. We did a muffler delete on it. Right there. Took both flaps out. There's the muffler. You always want to take the flaps out. Gives a little bit better sound. Then it comes factory dual, and it's got these sound dampers, I guess they call them, on each side. They take the place of the resonators. That's what they look like right there. If you want it louder, you always take those off, but he doesn't want it too loud. Just give it a nice deep tone. There's the muffler delete right there. There's the original muffler, and it has a flap on it. You see the flap? There's a flap in there. We always cut it off. Gives a little bit more noise. It's a SLE edition with a muffler delete. 2019 GMC Sierra. He brought it in last week. We did a muffler delete on it, but it's not loud enough, so he brought it back, and we took off the exhaust dampers on the rear end, on the rear tips, I mean, not rear end. There's the stock converters there. Then it was into a single. Here's the muffler delete from last week. And then this is what we took off. They're exhaust dampers, or whatever you want to call them. GM came up with them. Some kind of new technology. If you guys can see, I don't know. Yeah, you can see the daylight through them. Trying to get you guys to see. So they dampen the sound. You see it? I think you guys can see it better. Right there. And there's 3 of them on each tailpipe, and they dissipate the sound. There's one there and there's one there on each side. So we cut them off. We'll let you guys hear it and see what you guys think. 2020 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Really nice truck. And well, we got something special on this one for you guys and girls. Got factory converters. And they don't come in the 2020s, they don't come with the third converter. So guess what? We can true dual it all the way back and back and back and back. And then we can go forward again. All the way forward. Just like that. So as you guys can see, it's true dual into 3.5-inch by 18 or by 12s, sorry, tips. Right there, angle cut. So it came out really beautiful. If you guys say otherwise, please leave it in the comments. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Appreciate it. Hope you guys like it. And hit that subscribe button. Better? You want more? We gotta take those sound dampers off, the 3 on each side. They're like resonators basically. Again. It's pretty loud. You gotta remember it's sitting still. Give it gas. 100 in sound decibels. Go ahead. Ride it for a week, see how you like it. If you want it louder, you can always come back, which we cut those out too. But I always have people drive it first. Get line 2. Go ahead. It's got a nice lift kit from Brian's Motorsports. Shout out to them. Let you guys hear on the inside. Yeah, that made a difference. Give it gas. Wow. Rev it high. before, 95, something like that. It's a lot more throaty. Yeah, it actually sounds like it has exhaust done on it. Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. Sound decibels. That sounds sick. We cut all that stuff off all the time. Sierra. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Definitely a lot quieter. They upgraded the sound insulation inside the cabs for 2020.
Difference. It's about 20% louder.